Just listed, this beautiful twin home with an open floor plan with a great room with hardwood floors, that flows into the dining room and kitchen with upgraded cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a tile backsplash. The home also offers a first-floor primary suite with a tile bath, a powder room, a laundry, and a screened porch with beautiful pond views. The second floor features 2 more bedrooms, one with a large walk-in closet, a guest bathroom and an office. All of this is located in the lush, landscaped community of Seasons with a community pool, clubhouse and just a few miles from the beach, boardwalk, shopping, restaurants and everything Rehoboth Beach has to offer. Call for an appointment today.